I've had my box braids in for a month, and guess what? This is my first time doing anything to my scalp as far as cleaning, but I know it probably like, ew, sounds nasty. No, I am just now getting dandruff. I know you can see the dandruff a little bit. It's not bad. Before these box braids was installed, I cleaned my hair really good. And the braids are still looking good. Yes, I make sure I maintain my hair, okay? Welcome back to my channel. I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos from me. Let's jump right into this video. So today I'm going to be using this dry shampoo to clean my scalp because it's definitely time. When I see flakes falling, no ma'am, no ma'am, we're not doing that. So yeah, I'm going to use ORS Herbal Cleanse dry shampoo, and the direction says to apply a generous amount onto the hair and massage. I'm not going to do this throughout my braids. I'm just focusing on the scalp because that's where it's mainly dirty. But you're going to let it sit for 1 minute only, and then you're going to use a warm damp towel just to remove the residue. I've already done the back just to speed up the process. So it has a medicated smell. That's why I'm like, but that just lets you know it's going to clean my scalp really well. So just do a generous amount on my scalp, going between each braid as well. And I'm going to massage it in. Now, me personally, I do not shampoo my hair when I have box braids in or Senegalese twist, any type of protective style. I just don't trust doing it myself. I feel like I'm going to, I don't know, break my hair off because I know it's going to take a long time to dry. So I just prefer to go to a salon. But I'm going to try this dry shampoo because I don't feel like doing all that. Why when I can just use a dry shampoo? So I got that massaged in. And remember, we're gonna let it sit for 1 minute. The smell is definitely strong, so make sure you avoid this from getting into your eyes because I can tell it's gonna burn them up. Y'all don't understand, this feels so good. Woo, I love a clean scalp. So I know I said I don't actually shampoo my braids, but as far as my edges, since I have some of them out and I lay them down, I do clean my edges. I just do it like while I'm washing my face in the shower. I just put some of my cleanser around my edges and I clean them because I don't want any buildup on my edges and I lose them. Got to get in there. Oh, yes, Lord. So it's past a minute. So now I am going to go back through each row and use this damp cloth just going to go through like it says and clean off the excess shampoo. I'm making sure I clean it off good. See how fast this is? I don't have time to be trying to shampoo these braids and they're already heavy. Nope, nope, nope. Too much work. I'm just thinking about the drying process too. My hair already takes about an hour and a half or two to dry. And you talking about with added hair? No ma'am. I try to leave my braids in for a month and a half. How long do you all leave yours in? I'm one of the ones where if I see some growth, I'm like, ooh, let me hurry up and take these out so I can see the inches. Is that you? Yes, my hair is growing. Look at the growth. How you doing? My scalp is all clean. It feels so good and medicated, but it feels so good. Fresh and clean. So I don't have a braid spray, so I am going to use some of this mint almond oil by Mael and this wild growth hair oil. I'm just going to apply these two oils on my scalp. I don't want to do too much. Look, since my hair already have the little smell to it, I might as well add mint, right? I won't use a lot of this oil because it smells really strong. Now this growth oil. Just going to drag the rest of it down the braids. I thought my scalp was going to be wet after using this damp towel, but it's not. It just feels like moisture is there, but it is dry. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to sit under the dryer, but no. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see it's clean. I want these oils to penetrate through my hair, my scalp, all of that good stuff. So I'm going to just tie my hair down with a scarf for tonight, but that's it. This is a good dry shampoo. I can tell it actually cleaned my scalp. This mint oil is helping as well. I can feel the tingling sensation. So yes, it's working miracles on my scalp, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.